How to show your Instagram on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show your Instagram on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy, and then settings, sorry, not settings, this one. You will find your profile here, click on it and then click edit, and then just go down until you find links, click add, and then click add social links and select platform and click Instagram, and here just add your Instagram username and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.